Well, it stops anybody from going near the live edge. The barrier's down at the back here while the load's put into place, and then the gate goes up and the barrier goes down at the front. This person can go in and get that load and take it out without going anywhere near the live edge and falling. We had another setup with handrails before, and then you always had to be watching the person doing it to see that they're putting handrails up. This one you don't have to. It's automatically how it works. You know? Much better system. It's a great idea, I reckon. You know, it can be used in various aspects, like different. Use it with forklifts. You can use it with Manitou. You can use it with a whole heap of other things. You know.
The system we've been really happy with, Terry. The reason that we've liked it so much is that the system we've got in place at the moment is basically a 2 handrail system, which is getting used in the background now. You've got a front tube handrail and a back tube handrail. So you've got to remove the front to put the load in and have the back in place. When the load's in place, you've got to remove the back, so you can get to it, but before you do that, you've got to make sure the front's put back in. So if you can understand that, we're continually changing handrails. What happens is that the blokes get a bit slack, get a bit lazy, they think, nah, the load's too far in off the leading edge, so I won't worry about putting the front handrail back in, I'll just quickly whip out the back one, put the pallet jack in and bring the load back onto the floor, and then put the handrail back in place. So you're working with a live edge. Now they reckon it only takes a couple of seconds, so they do it. You come around the corner and you see the blokes doing it, and you worry, you panic, because you can see what's going on and you know there's a potential for a hazard there. What happens with your system, obviously they can't do that. Either the back handrail's got to be in place or the front handrail's got to be in place. So you know that at every stage of the operation, the guys are protected or the guys are safe. So yeah, as far as that goes, the system's fantastic and I'd love to use it again next time. It eases the concern that you've got that when you're not standing there watching it, the handrail's in place. Like I was saying, I mean, if I come around a corner, if you're not standing there, the blokes will take the shortcut. It's easier, it's quicker to do it with the handrail out the way, and then they just slide it back in if they get busted sometimes. Not everybody does, but a lot of the people do. It's human instinct to go the quickest and easiest way to do something. With this in place, I know they can't short circuit it. You know, the handrail will either up or it's down. So either the back one's in place or the front one's in place. So in any circumstance, the handrail's in place. So I know that I can walk away from there and know that it's got to be done properly. They can't shortcut it. And that makes it a bit easier for me because I know then that the blokes are safe and I know that nothing can go wrong. So I'm very happy with the way the system works. It's a big improvement on the old way we normally do things, which relies on the blokes doing the right thing.
WorkrightSafety Solutions. To order your Watergate Safety Barrier System, contact WorkrightSafety Solutions. Contact us for more information on this and any of our other safety products. When safety and productivity come first, WorkrightSafety Solutions are essential.